Okay, good morning. Okay, so um, I'm just doing this to get myself up and running when it comes to painting. So I was doing this. These are my grandfather's drawings. And as I'm putting this in here, my brain, how it works, automatically I'm just thinking of this, like the sun, okay? And then I've got invincible blue. I started putting the blue over here, and then I was picturing, well, that's a lot like the atmosphere. And the atmosphere is blue. And then I thought, well, the chakra, blue chakra, that would be your throat chakra, to speak. And then I thought about how it's protecting our world. Okay, so that's what they say, that it is protecting our world. And so if it's the color blue, and voice is noise, sound, vibration, frequency, which is energy. Very powerful. Words are powerful. Ozone, is that it? Ozone layer. Yeah. So if it's blue, now there's a reason for it. I believe it's lack of pigment or something like that, or it's a less anyways, getting to my point. If then, in a creative view, the sky, the atmosphere, the ozone, whatever you want to call it, is blue, what if it was composed strictly of all the energy that is created by the living beings as like a whole, as a collective, to create this almost force field like invincible blue bubble. This blue bubble that we're in. Or are we in a yellow bubble? Because without the sun, which I consider to be the solar plexus, our joy, our happiness, inner child, our heat, our power source, without that, we wouldn't really have life at all. And it's raining outside again. Oh, weatherman, give me some good news. Lots of emotions flowing. Anyways, I just wanted to jot that down.